Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us discuss exercise 11.4, 8, 9, 10, 10 problems. 8, 9, 10 problems. Okay. So first one. First one is the eighth one. So in eighth problem, we have to simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Now 1 minus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So if you observe here, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. It is looking in the form of a minus b into a plus b. That means that is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Now that implies here a is 1. A is 1. This one is a. A is 1. And cos theta is taken as b. So 1 square minus cos square theta. 1 square means 1 only, no? That's why 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta is the same. Now 1 minus cos square theta. So according to identity number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You need sin square theta. Then transmitting cos square theta this side. Here it is plus, coming to here it will become minus. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in the place of 1 minus cos square theta, we can substitute sin square theta. So that only I did. Now 1 plus cot square theta means, according to identity number 3, look here. According to identity number 3, cosecant square theta, 1 minute, yeah. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now we need cosecant square theta. Then transmitting this cot square theta this side. Here it is minus cot square theta. Coming to here, it will become plus. So cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So in the place of 1 plus cot square theta, let us write cosecant square theta. Okay. In this way, I wrote it. I wrote it in this way. Now sin square theta into cosecant square theta. Cosecant square theta is nothing but inverse of sin theta. So sin square theta into 1 by sin square theta means cosecant square theta. No? I wrote it in as inverse of sin square. Now sin square theta and sin square theta will be cancelled and the remaining one is 1. Now ninth problem, if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? So secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p given, and we have to find secant theta minus tan theta. So if I write it in the form of a plus b into a minus b, I will get one identity, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So I wrote it in that way. So see, a plus b into a minus b is nothing but say a square minus b square. A is secant and b is tan. So secant theta plus tan theta into this secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Why? Because secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now substitute p in secant theta plus tan theta. Why? Because the given one is this one only. So secant theta plus tan theta is given as p. So p into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Now p transmitting this side, it will become secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. Now 10th problem, if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Now first one, so given one is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, first one. Now here actually we will prove from LHS side, but here it is like this, so let us prove from this side, that is RHS one. So RHS k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So here there is a relation given, that is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So substitute in k square, then it will become cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 square, no? So whole square it will become cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 by cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. Now it is looking in the form of a plus b whole square. So expand it, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a is cosecant and b is cot. Cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into cosecant into cot minus 1 by cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into cosecant theta into cot 2 into cosecant theta into cot theta plus 1. So now if you observe, by identity number 1, cosecant square theta, before only I told here, here I told before, cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. Why I am changing here only cosecant square theta? Why? Because here I want to cancel this minus 1. So if I wrote here plus 1 plus cot square theta, then this minus 1 will be cancelled. Okay, in the due to the, so to cancel that one, I wrote it as 1 plus cot square theta, and I didn't change this one. So 1 plus cot square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant into cot minus 1. Now here I am not changing cosecant square theta. Here I am changing cot square theta as cosecant square theta minus 1. Why? Because identity number 3, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now we need cot square theta. We need cot square theta. Sorry. We need cot square theta. So here plus cosecant transmitting to this side. Then it will become cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. Here the 2ab1. Now this plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. So cot square theta plus cot square theta here, and cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta. It will become 2 cot square theta here, and down 2 cosecant square theta. Plus here the same. 2 plus 2 cosecant into cot plus 2 cosecant into cot. So here I took 2 cot square theta, no? So 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant into cot. So I took 2 cot common here, and here 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant into cot. I took cosecant common here. So now 2 cot theta of cot theta plus cosecant, and the remaining one will be cosecant only. Now here the remaining one will be cot by 2 cosecant into cosecant, 2 cosecant theta of cosecant theta plus cot theta. Now here cot will be cancelled, and cosecant will be cancelled. For this two, see, for this two and this two will be cancelled, and the remaining one is cot theta by cosecant theta. You can write cot theta as cos theta by sin theta, and cosecant as inverse of sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta into sin theta by 1. So this sin theta and sin theta will be cancelled. So cos theta, so we will get cos theta by cos theta, we will get cos theta now. So cos theta, that one is LHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. That implies cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Why? Because we got k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 also cos theta only. So that one is LHS. So we proved it. So this is the solution for this question. There is another method also for this. If possible, I am going to explain another method in next video. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.